In this video, we'll give you a quick rundown of the Wells Fargo Double Cash Card and why it's a great choice for earning cash back. Let's dive into the benefits. 1. Earn 2% cash back. The Wells Fargo Double Cash Card gives you 1% cash back on every purchase and an additional 1% when you pay your bill, giving you up to 2% cash back on every purchase with no limits. 2. No categories to track. Unlike other cards, there are no rotating categories to keep track of. You earn 2% on everything you buy. 3. Easy cash back redemption. You can redeem your cash back for a statement credit, check, direct deposit, or even for gift cards and merchandise. 4. No annual fee. There's no annual fee, which means more money in your pocket. 5. 0% intro APR enjoy. 18 months of 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers, making it easier to manage big purchases or transfer existing debt. Conclusion: the Wells Fargo Double Cash Card is simple, rewarding, and perfect for everyday purchases. With 2% cash back, no annual fee, and an intro APR offer, it's definitely worth considering. Call to action. If you enjoyed this guide, like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips. Let us know if you have questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.